This video will show you how to calibrate your Skarper drive unit.
Calibrating your Skarper. When you turn on the Skarper drive unit for the first time, it will need to be calibrated. Calibrating your Skarper on your bike provides optimal performance. If you intend to use your Skarper on another bike, you should recalibrate Skarper to get the most from your unit. To calibrate your Skarper, first, turn on your Skarper drive unit and the pedal sensor. Push and hold the on-off button until the lights turn on. Turn on the pedal sensor by clicking the power button. Hold your bike upright on a level floor. If you are fitting Skarper to a bike with suspension, you need to sit on the bike during the calibration process. You may need a friend to help you with the rest of the process. Hold the on-off button and mode button together for 5 seconds until you see an amber rotating ring light. Continue to hold the bike upright until the ring light goes solid amber and then returns to white. If the amber light flashes twice and then goes on to blinking amber, the calibration has failed. Make sure the bike is upright and level, then repeat the steps